You guys, another day, another banger. And yes, guys, we're back with another video. And this is good video. So we're gonna be recording today's video. Let's go to okay, let's go to the home page. As you can see, this is my whole account. Ever10213 from this game. I will show you what the game looks like in a minute. So if you really want to play this game, go on Google, search for anything, search up Roblox. Right here, this one. Click it and it'll bring you to the sign up page. Here, I'll show you what the sign up page looks like. Okay, this is what the sign up page looks like. And as you can see, when you're on here, do this. You can you have to do this and do any username needs Robux. That's not in for Roblox. So don't do that username. Do this. Progamer, just like this. 21633. If you can get this username, try to get it. Here's the password. And this is the password. This is the password. Go use it right now. And you can go ahead and use it. Go use it. I'll be linking it in the description, the password and the username. Go ahead. I just created an account. So go ahead and use it. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.